This is Bharat. Welcome to TBK Career Point. Now we'll discuss about what is called convolutional neural networks. So in the previous videos already we have discussed about what is the importance of neural networks, artificial neural networks, how it is inspired by the biological neural networks. So now the convolutional neural network, it is a part of a deep learning, it is a part of AI, it is part of neural networks. So it is used to mainly it is useful to detect the images, to extract the features from the image, and it is useful for major advantages image classification. So the deep learning, it is using the neural networks to solve the problem. So neural network here is the mechanism to predict the uh, outcome. So in the case of convolutional neural networks, it is it is part of the deep learning to build the different type of models uh, to detect the output by having the different type of hidden layers. So in the case of convolutional neural networks, we have, as we shown, the image picture, it is containing that the input image will be supplied here, and these are the convolution layers, and this is called pooling layer, and the image will be supplied from here as a input. And once the image size can be of any size, like we generally we can take 28 by 28 or 56 by 56 or 112 by 112. So we can take 224 by 224, so that is a pixel size. So after taking the image as a input, and this image is going to be convoluted, convolution operation will be done here. So this convolution layer contains the number of filters. So the if you create the more number of filters, so then we'll get the there is a possibility of detecting the image properly. So however, the model has a possibility to detect the image properly without without losing of the data. So in the process of feature extraction, it is involving the convolution pooling operations majorly. So these all components we'll discuss in the future videos one by one, how the convolution operation will be done, and how the pooling will be done, what are the different kinds of pooling operations are there, and after performing this operation, the this two-dimensional convolutional neural network or three-dimensional convolutional neural network will be flattened into one-dimensional layer. After that, the data will be supplied to the classification part. The classification part will contain the number of fully connected layers, like as the this picture contains.